awuthi kutshele mina because ama-political analyst enu lawa afunde kakhulu angeke azanitshela. Ngeke azanitshele because kulama media platforms lawa I-invite kuwona, they are being told what to tell you guys. They are being told what to say. That is why right now you'll never hear Stephen Grootes SAFM invite a black political analyst, because for example Professor Mgomezulu ngiyazambiza. Why? Because Professor Mgomezulu understand politics yase KZN and uyazi ukuthi what is most likely to happen in KZN, as much as ezomtshela lokho afuna ukuthi akuzwe uStephen Grootes, but uzophinda kusho lokho kufuna ukuziwa abantu base KZN abavotele iMK ngobuningi. What is happening right now in this country is a betrayal, complete betrayal to a black person. What the ANC is doing right now ukuba ogombela kwesabo, ukuba nomona, ukungafuni ukuletha amandla slip their hands. They don't want to let the power go. They don't want to let the control go. They want to keep the control. And at the same time, let the iyayifuna le control. Abelungu ba happy. The white people are excited in this country. But this country is heading to the right direction if DA ne ANC ziyameja. I'm not going to mention IFP because IFP is being used and they're allowing it. It's fine. Let them being used. They were used anyway. Even Nangekadze apartheid, they were used. We've been defending the IFP, but now they seem to be abandoning a struggle. It's fine. They forget that the very same DA that they choose to go to bed with is the very same DA that is against Amakhosi. Kodwa they're saying they're advocating for Amakhosi. I know you're sick on that. That's another politics for another day. Abelungu ba happy because interest yabo and everything that belongs to them will be ring-fenced, will be protected, will be secured. Remember, if the ANC, this current ANC, udle uJacob Zuma I describe njenge ANC ka Ramaphosa, he's right. He's right. Because within the ANC, kunabantu abangekho happy. Within the current ANC, some people are not happy with the fact that ANC is going on coalition with the DA. And they've given it a nice fancy word called Government of National Unity, GNU. What rubbish is that? What kind of GNU that doesn't have the top 5 or the top 6 political parties that managed to secure minimum vote? That those votes that gave them the seats in parliament. What government of national unity that doesn't have all the representatives of all political parties that are represented parliament? Why ATM is not part of this GNU? If I may ask, why Action SA is not part of that GNU? Why BOSA is not part of that GNU? If I may just ask from an innocent place, why Al Jamaa is not part of that? Let's be serious here. IFP is being used, and they are going to regret this thing because as people think 2026 is far, 2026 is right behind us, right behind us. And history will judge IFP. I'm not concerned about this ANC because I know that this ANC is not the ANC that we know of. So what is happening right now in the ANC, it's something that was expected. Yazi siloku sisatshizwa ngama-market. What? Yini ama-market? Awungitshele nje wena. What business do you own when? Do you own any business? What business do you own? Let's assume EFF go on coalition with Action SA today, maybe N Azapo or whatever political party. What impact will that have? Kuwe when? What impact will that have? Kuwe. You know, these are tough times. If I'm not sure if you guys have noticed this. Freedom Front Plus is very quiet. Very quiet. Yes, but media briefing, they know the seats that they got is enough to protect the land that they stole from the black people. Even greater for them. The havoc that is currently happening in the country, this thing of power, with what type of government must be formed, who must be part of that government and stuff like that, it's working on their favor, because as long as there is white interest there, that means they're also benefiting indirectly. So that is why Freedom Front Plus buy bathe. And I'm concerned about EFF because they chose to be quiet through umlomo ka president wabo. Bathe bona bazoyihlalela and opposition bench parliament. They won't go on coalition with the DA, the EFF, with the DA, the Freedom Front Plus. It's fine, and I'm happy with that. Like I'm so proud of them. They've taken the right decision. They've chosen to be honest to their people. They've chosen to be true to the people that they're representing. However, EFF, if they choose to sit back and fold their arms like this, they are most likely to lose its support on the ground. Because remember, most voters, especially in this country, they vote based on your character. Like, for example, Julius Malema, they know him to be this, this charismatic person, or energetic, or khulumayo ngesabi lutho, or khuluma noma yini engenandaba ukuthi ubani uzothini. So manje message choose ukuhlala eParliament that people will start to have angazi noma ngithola ukuthi ngizama ukuthini. Okay, kulungile kasidlule lapha. Ngithe ngiqophe le video just before nje kuhlale this 7th administration yeParliament. Uzongibuza ngiphalulimi. Akekho umuntu ozocontest uRamaphosa. Akekho umuntu ozocontest uRamaphosa for presidency. Akekho. As much as kwi-ANC ukunote lokho, because this is very important. Ukunote lokho because this is very important. Within ANC, kuna members of the African National Congress that are not happy with the fact that the ANC is going on coalition with the EDA. Pela, this is coalition, basically, because Uma GNU, why O Action SA they are not part of it? Why O Bossa they are not part of it? Why O ATM they are not part of it? Why O Al Jamaa they are not part of it? Because they also managed to secure enough seats in parliament. I mean, they were also chosen by people. There's a group of people in this country who deems this political party as eligible to be in government. So if it's a government of national unity, why these political parties are sidelined? Why a white man is calling the so-called black political parties that are advocating for black human rights? Why is the white man calling those political parties or describing those political parties as babiza ama left? They are sitting on the left. Why are they still on there? Because it's white people. I'm not sure if you've noticed. It's white people. Listen to white media. Read these white newspapers. They will always refer to your MK, your EFF, your AZAPO, your UDF, your UDM. They will always refer them to the left. The left. Why? Hey, kusazoshuba kulelizwe, kusazoshuba kakhulu. And I mean, personally, I feel like people of South Africa, particularly black people, were betrayed by the African National Congress. However, it was expected from the African National Congress of this time. The African National Congress, the African National Congress, vele seyazi ukuthi iya control le. They are running a business, not a country. That is why they are more interested on what the market says, not what the people says. But the biggest betrayal came from the IFP, Inkatha Freedom Party. And looking at the DA and the IFP, they come from complete different, at least the ANC and the DA, like these things that were tested, tried and tested in 2008 back in the days. Now they feel like it's their time to test those things. It's fine. But IFP, they're going to regret this. They are going to regret this. But we are going to have a very interesting 7th administration, I must say. It's going to be very interesting in this country. Ramaphosa will not be opposed, values of our president, but the minute of our president, something is coming. Something that will shock you is coming. Ramaphosa will not be a president until